Welcome to BritDoesBBQ. I found some old footage of when Mrs. T and I did some smash burgers with some of the leftover Wagyu. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get cooking. So for these smash burgers we have some American Waygu Tri-tip, some Japanese Waygu A5. Look at that, it's amazing. And we've also got a little bit of chuck, ground chuck here, which I got from my butcher's. Started to oxidize a little, but it's okay. It's all good. We've got some all-American cheese, brioche buns. We've got half an onion that I got left over, and we're just going to season with salt, pepper, garlic, and we've got a little bit of white wine vinegar for the onions. We're going to get those on the hob and caramelize them up. Right, so I'm going to have to try and chop this meat up. I don't have a mincer as yet, so I'm going to just go at it with a cleaver and see what we get from it. Let's start with this. This is just the fat left over from my birthday Wagyu. Don't put too much fat in it. Just going to cut all the meat bits off. Let's see what we've got. I'm just going to chop this up. That's it. Now for the American Wagyu. So here we have the chuck, we have the American Waygu Tri-tip, and we have the Japanese A5 Ribeye. So I'm just going to season this up and then mix it up and chop it again. So we'll start with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. What I'm going to do is just bunch that up. Get a good mix. And then we go through with the knife again. Okay. And then we don't want it too tight. But what we will do now is I'll make this into small meatballs. And then we'll go out and smash them on the barbecue. Got a total of 440 grams. So now we're going to have 2 burgers each because we're being greedy on a Friday night. So we're going to do these about 2 ounces per burger, which is about 55 grams. 58 grams, 55 grams. So we'll just put that into a bowl. And we'll make 8 of those. Here we go. So we've got these ready now. We're going to get the barbecue going, get it nice and hot. We're going to get a nice cast iron plate. We're going to smash these down, and I'm presuming, or guessing, there's going to be a lot of fat that comes out of these, so we've got to be careful that there's no fat fires. Let's get cooking. So this is my setup. Hot coals, cast iron plate. We'll let this get really hot and then we'll start the smash burgers. So we're going to cook for a couple of minutes, or a minute and a half on each side. What we're looking for is a real crisp. when we turn it, we put the cheese on straight away. Okay, we've still got the buns toasting here, don't take long. Next, it's got a nice crisp going on, so we're going to scrape it off, turn it, scrape it off, turn it, and then we're going to put some cheese on, and some cheese on that one. Just another minute now. So these buns are done, I don't want them burning. I'm going to start with this one. On there. And this one. On there. We tried 4 this time. See if this griddle was hot enough. They're not as crispy as the last ones. So what we're going to do is get these ones a little under. Keep their taste a little better. Get some cheese. Okay, we'll put the cheese on. I recommend you only cook 2 at a time, unless you can get your griddle really hot. So here we have it. Here we have our smashed burger with our caramelized onions. We're going to put some mustard, just some Frenchies, some tomato ketchup, some pickles, sweet pickles. I like extra pickles. And there we have it. Let's cut this in half. And there's the burger. Let's give this a try. Here it goes. Smash burger. Waygu smash burger. Superb. Absolutely superb. Really crispy. You got to get that griddle really warm, really hot. Tried doing 4 at a time. Struggled to get the heat. But if you've got a better barbecue, or if you've got a gas burner, then you can probably do 4 at a time. But 2 at a time is great. You can just do a burger, cook your wife another one, and then cook your second one if you're having another one after that. The flavour of the Waygu, not really coming through. I do prefer the A5 on its own. But the Tri-tip, the American Waygu, pretty nice. Like and subscribe. Have a go at making these and let me know how you get on. Have a good day. Thank you.